wondered how some people seem to effortlessly manage their money while you were left scratching your head at the end of each month? What if I told you there's a simple secret to financial success that anyone can master? Coming up, we Lines dive into the world of budgeting for beginners and unlock the key to taking control of your finances. Picture this: you're standing in line at the grocery store, watching the total climb higher and higher. Your heart races as you wonder if you'll have enough to cover it all. We've all been there, right? But what if I told you there's a way to shop with confidence, knowing exactly how much you can spend without breaking the bank? Are you ready to transform your financial future? In the next few minutes, I'll share 5 easy steps that will revolutionize the way you think about money. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to create a budget that works for you, not against you. Let's start our journey to financial freedom. Step 1. Track your spending. It's time to face the music and see where your money's really going. For the next month, write down every single purchase, no matter how small. You might be surprised at what you discover. Step 2. Categorize your expenses. Now that you've got a clear picture of your spending habits, let's group them into categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. This will help you see the big picture of your financial life. Step 3. Set realistic goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Maybe it's paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or building an emergency fund. Whatever your goals, write them down and make them specific. Step 4. Create your budget. This is where the magic happens. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Adjust these percentages to fit your unique situation. Step 5. Track and adjust. Your budget isn't set in stone. Review it regularly and make changes as needed. Life happens, and your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate unexpected twists and turns. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but how do I actually stick to my budget? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In our next video, we'll explore practical tips and tricks to help you stay on track and crush your financial goals. But before we wrap up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: debt. If you're struggling with debt, you're not alone. Millions of people are in the same boat, but there's hope. By implementing a solid budget, you can start chipping away at that debt and pave the way to financial freedom. Remember, budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and goals. Think of it as a roadmap to the life you want to live. With a well-planned budget, you can say yes to the things that truly matter to you and no to the things that don't. Let's take a moment to celebrate your progress. By watching this video, you've already taken the first step towards a brighter financial future. You are part of a community of people who are committed to improving their lives through smart money management. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to budgeting? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. Your experiences and insights could help someone else who's just starting their budgeting journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our upcoming series on advanced budgeting techniques and money-saving hacks that will take your financial game to the next level. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. So are you ready to take control of your finances and create the life you've always dreamed of? The power is in your hands. Stay tuned for our next video, where we Lines dive deeper into the world of personal finance and explore strategies to make your money work harder for you. Until then, keep tracking those expenses and dreaming big. Your future self will thank you. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry, we've all been there. Take a deep breath and remember that every financial expert started as a beginner. You've got this, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Before you go, here's a quick challenge for you for the next week. Try the cash envelope system. Take out cash for your discretionary spending and divide it into envelopes for different categories. When the envelope is empty, That's it for the week. It's a simple but powerful way to become more mindful of your spending habits. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought: budgeting isn't just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It's about creating a life of freedom, choice, and purpose. It's about saying yes to your dreams and no to financial stress. So, what will your budget say yes to? Thanks for joining me on this financial journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. And remember, your financial future starts now. What will you do with it? See you in the next video, where we'll tackle the art of saving money without feeling deprived. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep budgeting, keep dreaming, and keep believing in your financial potential. You've got this.